life without the internet, videos, or smartphones? Good day, everyone. I am Mary Jo Lumbay. Today, let's talk about multimedia, which combines text, images, audio, and videos, and ICT, which uses digital tools like computers and the internet to connect people and share knowledge.
So, what is multimedia? Multimedia is the integration and use of different forms of media such as text, images, graphics, audio, video, and animation combined into a single digital platform or presentation. It purpose into a communicate information, ideas, or messages in a more interactive, creative, and engaging way. Unlike traditional media, which may use only one form like text in books or audio in radio. Multimedia combines multiple formats to enhance understanding and attract attention. So what are the benefits of multimedia? Number 1, enhances learning. Lessons are more interesting with videos, images, and animation. Number 2, improves communication. Ideas are presented clearly using visual and audio. Number 3, increases creativity. People can design presentation, edit videos, or create digital art. What is ICT? ICT is the broad term that refers to all technologies, systems, and tools used to handle communication and information. It includes the use of computers, the internet, smartphones, network, and digital devices to connect, process, store, and share data. ICT goes beyond just personal communication. It covers fields like education, healthcare, business, government, and entertainment, making it one of the key drivers of globalization and digital transformation in 21st century. What are the benefits of ICT? Number 1, faster communication through email, chat, and video calls across the world. Number 2, access to information. The internet provides quick knowledge for research and daily life. Number 3, supports education. Online classes, ebooks, and digital platforms make learning flexible.
That's the idea of multimedia and ICT. That's all. Thank you for watching.